Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the ribbon is hidden versus minimized. This matters because the fix differs. Click the small caret at the top right, or right-click any tab name to open the context menu. Choose Show Tabs and Commands to restore everything immediately. Once done, the full menu bar returns with all tabs and commands visible, so you can access Home, Insert, View, and more. Make sure to move on if you still see limited options. You continue by using View Controls and Excel options to ensure the menu is configured correctly. Press Ctrl plus F1 to toggle the ribbon quickly. This keyboard shortcut is faster than menus. If that doesn't help, go to File, then Options, then Customize Ribbon to add or re-enable specific tabs. Once in Customize Ribbon, check boxes for the tabs you need and click OK. This step fixes cases where tabs were accidentally removed rather than hidden, and it restores your workflow. You finish by addressing stubborn problems that simple toggles won't fix. If the menu bar still acts wrong, run a quick office repair from Control Panel or Settings to fix corrupted components. Make sure to update Excel via File, Account, Update options. Outdated builds can hide features. If customizations created the issue, reset the ribbon in File options, Customize Ribbon Reset. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.